like as it comes. I don't really use this area. Let's go to the living room, which is like the best space. Oh wait, this is kind of cute though. I have 2 letters from Girly Pops who wrote these to me. One of them was from Bali and one of them was from Playlist or VidCon. It was from Playlist. My favorite part and the place that I definitely spent the most time decorating is my apartment, and I'm just gonna go through and tell you where everything's from. We have the food bowl, and we have this really janky $3 mirror from Target 3 years ago on top of a stool, and it makes me look really skinny. So if you ever see me on Instagram looking really skinny, it's all a scam, don't believe it. These are pictures of well, okay. So this is a pack of cards from Brandy Melville because I was just talking to the girl who worked there and she was like nice enough to give me them. But as you can tell, they're all white skinny girls and everyone's always very confused as to why they're on my wall. And I wish there was some diversity here because it's kind of like hilarious how large the lack of diversity is. Anyway, that. And then this is from Brandy Melville as well. It says Texas. This is my record player. This is my record player holder, all from Urban Outfitters. I've got PR packages down there. I've got journals. I've got record players. This plant holder is from Urban Outfitters, and this plant is from Home Depot, and this one actually is real, which is rare for my apartment. This shelf is also from Urban. These lights are from Target. I've got little things from Urban. Ryan, this is like where we first started dating. It's like the sand and the water from that beach. I've got my books up here. This chair is from Urban Outfitters. I love it. It's very good. This pillow my manager made me for Christmas. It says Girly Pop. These are yay balloons that my cousin made for, she didn't like make them, but she hung them up for me when I came back from 2 weeks out of the country, and I just haven't had the heart to get rid of them. So they're still here. This beanbag. Oh shoot, I think that was someone up there. This is my hangout area for friends and stuff. So this is a beanbag from Urban. These are Target pillows and then Urban little squishy covers. This is my Polaroid wall, which I took all 100 of these photos in one day. And that's actually a video if you haven't seen it. I really like that video if you haven't seen it. I've got 2 records on the wall. This world map is from Amazon. I really like it. And there's so many cheap decorations on Amazon that I will link down below. I'll try to link everything down below, but very surprising how much you can decorate for really cheap from Amazon. But anyways, down here we have a little basket from Target with more Target blankets. I have 2 options for blankets, just nice comfy cozy area. This is a treadmill that we took from the house, and then my mom's bike. And yes, everyone who comes in here says, oh, do you ride the bike while you're on the treadmill? This is a big fake plant from Urban and this tiny little pot from Target, which everyone was yelling at me in my like apartment decor vlogs that you shouldn't have like a tiny pot with a big plant. I don't really get it because it's a fake plant, so whatever. This pink couch is my pride and joy. I love that it's pink. I love that absolutely all of the furniture in here doesn't match, but that's why it does match, because it's all just random colors. And then these are from Urban, and these are from Urban. Most of the things are from Urban because I had like a bunch of store credit. I got this cute little thing from a vintage thrift store, and it's supposed to be for one of those couches back in the day that you like put over the couch, but I just think it's really cool. And then I have my Bible journal and my Bible. This is just a little storage container. This really cute llama planter is from Urban. This is my sticker collection, and if you want to buy these stickers, link in the description. It's my merch. And this is my sticker collection for when I buy like a new computer or water bottle, or like I'm just collecting them so that I can have them whenever I have something good enough to put them on. Speaking of collections, over here I forgot to show this, but this is my keychain collection. So from every country or state that I go to, I try to get a keychain and put it on here. So we've got Bahamas, Hawaii, Chicago, Fiji, Florida. This is from a place in Texas. It's just like a lot of different things. And then over here is my pin collection, and I actually have a lot of pins that just don't have like the backings to them, so this is what we have for right now. But anyways, let's move on into the bedroom. I'm just gonna warn you, the bedroom is for functionality and nothing more. I tried to decorate it for this video, but I didn't realize when buying a bed that the queen bed would take up so much of the room. So in retrospect, I would have gotten a size down from that and put it in the corner of the room, but I don't really care. It's for sleeping. I'm like never in here. I'm in here for like 6 hours a day. So that's such a lie. I sleep in so much. I was just trying to sound really productive right there. Oh, also all the rugs are also from Urban. Here you can come in. This bed is just so lumpy because of the amount of pillows that I have on there, but the bed frame, which is really cute, it's like a little step right here. This is from Urban. This is from Urban. These bedside tables are from Urban. This is from Amazon, and my aunt gave me these plants. Ryan gave me this one. This is also from Amazon. Those two pictures are from Target. And then this like hanging leaf situation is from Urban, and it was very overpriced, so I don't recommend that. These are from Vietnam. So cute. This is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. That's what I was talking about when you can get really cute decorations. And then these lights are from Target. This rose lamp is from Urban. This really cute surfboard is from Amazon, and I'm gonna put it up here, but I just need a nail long enough to.
That's not from Amazon, baby.
Where?
That's when my friend gave it to me. From Hawaii.
What?
That was from my friend from Hawaii. He gave it to me.
I ordered one just like this.
You did? Sorry.
I'm so confused. But, Mom, can I take it?
Yes.
And put it right there?
Yes.
And then I have some bed sprays and stuff like that, some cute stuff. And then this is the wall that I actually like over here. This is my vision board. So, yeah, you can read that for yourself. This is a little thing with sunglass, I don't really know. This is a world map with places I've been to, so I'm trying to keep track of the places. This is my little hat collection. This is my lanyard collection from like Playlist and VidCon and stuff like that. Some necklaces, clock from Society 6, another map from Society 6, some Polaroids. This is from Fiji. This is my first letter from Hollister whenever we were starting to work together, which I was so stoked for. And this fanny pack is hiding the fairy lights under here. Now let's go into the bathroom. I can't tell if this is boring or not. Lighting's terrible in here, but we have what I hope is a nice little Pinteresty Visco bathroom. So here I have my Bagu, which is a sustainable brand. Love Bagu. I have my makeup in here. Sneak peek of that. I have my scrunchies, my Quip toothbrush. I got bathroom things. I've got my retainer in this little container. We have this nice centerpiece with all of my main things that I use. I have my liquid lipstick collection, some other fun things, you know. Over here is the jewelry collection, and over here is my pride and joy. It is my skincare fridge. Yes, you heard that right. It is the most unnecessary thing I have in this place, and that's what it looks like right now. Very proud of it. We have this kind of comically small plant hanging above the toilet, and over here we have my shower. It's kind of dirty right now, but whatever. And this is the closet. As you can tell, it is mostly just hoodies because all I wear are hoodies. Even in the summertime, haven't given it up. And the smallest section is the shirts and the dresses. Everything else is sweaters. Literally everything else is sweaters. Shoe collection. Let's go into the office. Spock loves to sleep under the sheets. It's so funny.
Hi, Spock.
You're so cute. Okay. And this is a 2-bedroom apartment so that I can have an office to work in. I did work pretty hard on this, but there are some things missing, like as you can tell on this wall. Spock decided one day, this was when we first got him, I left him in this room because I didn't know if he was potty trained yet. He decided to jump up and rip these down. So I need to get a new kit for the Spock. Why is he... Fake Target plants. This mirror from Urban Outfitters, do not buy it. It looks cool, but it like makes your body look so weird. It's so bad. This is actually from my old bedroom, and I just keep PR makeup and stuff in here. There's a lot of PR makeup in there. These are 3 fake plants from Target. This desk is from Urban Outfitters. And then we have some nice things that I'm supposed to put like inspiration pictures on, but I haven't done that yet. And then I have a calendar that's still on May, so it's good. We have the iMac. This is from Office Max. Over here, we have this very cute shelf from Urban Outfitters. I've got some Polaroids, some Fujifilms, some cameras, lenses, just like camera equipment is over here. And then over here, I have my 100K plaque, which is in the old style because that shows you how long I've been on YouTube. And the new style million plaque, which is so cool. This wired shelf is from Urban, and I haven't really decorated this. I just put a bunch of random crap on it. And then this is a rack from Target, and I really want to have, whenever I do a haul or something, have it all on this rack and just like new stuff that I bought so I can see it and wear it, and shoes on the bottom. The last thing we have to show you is my mom's bathroom, which is a pretty cool place, I'm not gonna lie. So this is my mother's shrine. She's in here most of the time. I will have friends over and they don't even realize my mom is here because she'll just be sitting in here, just like messing with her things. We've got a bathtub over here, which is really nice for taking lush baths, and the coolest part is her closet.
No, don't show the closet.
You don't want to?
No.
Why
How
not?
a quick one? A quick one.
A quick shot of the closet. It's so cool, Mom. You have like collected so many clothes. I think it's amazing how she's organized it and everything, and how she just utilizes this tiny space for so much. It's crazy. And then here we have my old mattress from my bunk bed that we save
it for when guests come in.
Yeah, we save it for when guests come in.
Yeah.
That's what we tell ourselves.
Yeah.
This is our laundry. No one really cares about the laundry.
Yeah.
I will come back over here for the outro. That is my apartment tour. As you can tell, there's a lot of things that are just for functionality and not for cuteness. But I don't have the heart to like spend more money on decorating it when I'm gonna move out in like 8 months. So that's what you get. I hope you enjoyed it though. I will try to link as much of this, that was really good English. I will try to link as much of the furniture in the description box down below in case you're going to a dorm or you're moving somewhere. I don't know, let me know down below if you're in a state of moving to college or something, and let me know things I should add to my apartment, things I should not do, things that you want to see. You can follow my Pinterest board where I like had the inspo for all this stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. And Spock is a really cute add-on to the apartment. He's just so cute all the time. Anyways, I guess this is such a weird video for me because it's not about me, it's about my apartment. So I guess that's it. You can subscribe to join the family, be a girly pop. I got girly pop merch down below. I have a vlog channel, I have an Instagram, I have a Twitter. Spock is like, you want my attention? You want my attention? You can do all that stuff, and I will be at VidCon when you're watching this, so if you haven't, go find me and say hello. That sounds creepy though, don't go find me. Only in like appropriate settings may you find me. Okay, anyways, I love you guys so much. God bless and goodbye. Hey girly pops, I am now at VidCon and I'm an idiot. I don't see anywhere in this video where I remembered to thank you guys for basically my apartment. Like I wouldn't be living in this